Hi guys, welcome back to Website Builder Expert. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick video with some tips on how to choose the right Squarespace template for your website. Squarespace is a fantastic and very easy to use website builder. It has a really good range of high quality templates and it can make it pretty hard to choose sometimes. So I'm just going to be talking you through some tips and tricks for navigating its template library and how to pick a good template for your needs. So Squarespace has a 14-day free trial. I definitely recommend jumping on that if you haven't tried out Squarespace before. You can go and have a look through its template library and have a play around with some of those before you commit to any kind of pay plan. I will chuck a link in the description for you to make that nice and easy. But yeah, let's go and have a look at its templates now. So this is the Squarespace template library. You can navigate here from the Squarespace homepage, or if you click Get Started with a trial, you can come and view its templates. Squarespace does have two methods of building. So one is to come here and select a template to customize. The other, you'll see these messages here, is that you can build with AI. So that's where you input some information and Squarespace actually generates a website for you. So it means that you skip out the part where you actually choose a template. I have made a video on how to use its Blueprint AI website builder, so go and check that out if that's something you're interested in. But if you want a bit more control over your customization and you kind of want to have a go at design, then picking a template is a great place to start. So you can see it's got a good number, it's got 180 at the moment to choose from. This is actually a smaller selection than builders like Wix, say, which have over 900 now. But these are all really, really good, high quality templates. And I'm just going to show you how to navigate through this library and some things to look out for as well. So on this left-hand side, you can filter by template type. So for example, if you know that you want to build a blog primarily or an online store or portfolio, you can filter that way. So for example, if I select online store here, you see it's filtered it down to 43 templates, and then you can scroll through these. So these all already have store features built in, ready to go. And the demo content makes it really easy to picture how your store might look in one of these templates. If we untick that, we can scroll down on the left-hand side here, and you'll also see you can filter by different things. So there's topic, so that's popular designs. If you want to see what's trending, you select this. You can just view all templates, which is what I'm on, and then also collaboration. So Squarespace sometimes collaborates with artists or photographers, graphic designers, and these are their sort of special collections. So if you want something a bit edgy or a bit different, you can have a look in here, and occasionally new ones will be added as well. And then if you have a more specific idea of what your site will be, so for example, if you know that it's going to be a food blog, personal CVs, or if you work in real estate, you can filter by those more specific things. So for example, weddings down here, there's templates to choose from, and they're all geared towards weddings already, which is really helpful for picturing your site. What I will say though is that Squarespace's templates are actually all universal when it comes to features. So what that means is that whichever template you choose out of all of these 180, any one of them can be completely customized to suit any kind of website. So, you know, even if you choose a fashion template with fashion demo content in, you can actually customize it for a blog or a wedding website. It's all about just giving you the building blocks of your site. In the past, Squarespace allowed you to change your template. You now can no longer change your template, and that is because of these universal building blocks. So actually, no matter what your starting point is, all features, you know, portfolio galleries, store product pages, blogging pages, they're all available no matter which template you choose. So that can really widen up your choices. For example, you know, if you're interested in fashion, there's 14 here to choose from, but if you don't love any of them, you can actually explore other templates in order to find something that you like. Don't let it limit you basically. But obviously the demo content is a really helpful way to picture what your site looks like, and they do all have different layouts to start with. And obviously the closer your template is to a design that you like, the less work you have to do once you're in the editor. So it's obviously a good idea to pick a starting point that you like, because there's just less work to do. So let me show you how to preview a template. Let's click on this one. And you can see it comes up with the name of the template and a bit of information. What I really like is that it shows you different colour palettes, so you can actually preview how it will look with different colours, different colour schemes, and this can be really helpful. You can preview it here on this left hand side and actually scroll through the site to see how it will look with different colours. Obviously, once you start your trial and you're in the editor, you can play around with more colour options than these, but it's just a really nice little visual to help you in this decision making stage. Another thing to draw your attention to is that you can view it. We're currently viewing the desktop preview, but if you want to see how it looks on mobile, which is obviously really important, you can do that and you can scroll through and see how it looks on a mobile screen. Definitely make sure you're previewing both screen types when you are choosing your template. If you want to see it a little bit larger, you can view the demo site in a full screen, and this gives you a really immersive view of what the template is like. You can navigate through different pages if it's a multi-page design. For example, up here you can click schedule and it shows you what the appointment booking page is like, and it's even got a little interactive acuity scheduling feature. So, you know, really helpful for actually seeing what your page visitors would be experiencing if you chose this particular template. If you don't like it, head back to the main Squarespace template gallery, and I'm just going to show you how to get started with the template once you've found the one you like. So I'm just going to open up this one. You can have a scroll through, make sure you like it, and then if you do, just click start with this design. If you don't already have a Squarespace account at this point, it might ask you to pop in your email address to start your free trial. Here we go. I'm just going to name this demo. Click continue, and then it kind of gives you this little onboarding. Just click continue again. And then we'll be ready to start building. So one thing I just wanted to say about whichever template you choose, no matter which one, you will want to come in and customize it. It already looks really good, obviously, but you want it to reflect your own personal branding or business, you know, tone of voice and image. So you will want to come in here and update the text, the background images, the fonts, the color scheme, add your own sections, add new blocks within those, shuffle things around, add new pages. Squarespace is really easy to use, so you shouldn't have any problems. I have recorded another video already just showing you how to do those basic customizations within the editor. To get started, you do just come up here and click edit, and it opens up those options for you. As you can see, you can add sections, and I definitely recommend it because it's the best way to make sure that you have a unique website for your brand. So yeah, definitely go and check out that video if you do need some help, but I definitely recommend just having a play around and making sure that whichever template you use, don't just hit publish straight away. You want to come in and obviously just make it your own and put your own stamp on it. There's loads of options that you can change with this, but yeah. Hopefully this has been a helpful little sneak peek at Squarespace's templates. And like I said, if you aren't quite up for that level of design, there is an AI builder option that you can use instead. So you set up a trial, you can give them both a go and see how you get on and which one you prefer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that's been really helpful for you just to get a few basic tips on how to navigate that template library and how to find a template that suits your needs, as well as how to get started with that. Please do head over to websitebuilderexpert.com if you want more tips and tutorials and reviews of website builders. We're here to help you with your online journey. And do give this channel a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.